Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, Vintage Baseball Card Packs. For today's pack opening, I have a 1990 Topps Baseball Rack Pack. 45 picture cards, 3 sleeves of 15, and plus 1 special All-Star Game commemorative card. 22 in a set. Find out more in the back, and there you go. So previously on the channel, I've opened up a wax pack of 1990 Topps and 1990 Topps Traded, but this is the first time I'll be opening up a rack pack. So let's see what we can get. I picked this up at a local card show a couple weeks ago, and let's see what's inside. The biggest hit is a Frank Thomas rookie card, and then an extra special hit would be if we hit the no-name front Frank Thomas rookie card. But beyond that, let's just hope for some good Hall of Famers. Speaking of Hall of Famers, Cal Ripken Jr. Here's the glossy All-Star card, Cal Ripken. And now to the regular cards. Pat Clements, Walt Weiss, Hubie Brooks, Luis Quinones, Derek Lilliquist, Dave Schmidt, Jeff Treadway, Ozzie Guillen as a player, Dennis Oilcane Boyd, Wes Gardner, Jim Corsi, Tim Wallach, Greg Maddux, first Hall of Famer beyond the Cal Ripken, and Gary Thurman. So let's see how many Hall of Famers we get in each sleeve. This is the height of the junk wax era, so none of these cards are worth very much at all, but it's always great to see the cards and see what 1990 was like. So now, second sleeve. Oops. Cut a little better here. Not cut into the cards either. Sleeve number 2. Jay Buhner, Pat Borders, Frank Robinson Manager. I just got another Frank Robinson Manager in the 1991 grocery pack that I recently opened up. Edgar Martinez, Hall of Famer. Mark Williamson, Paul Gilgis, Bob Walk, Mark Gubicza, Scott Bales, Mike Devereaux, Don Paul, Greg Walker, Chad Kreuter, Randy Kramer, and Neon Deion Sanders. Not bad for the second sleeve. And now let's open the last sleeve. So while I'm doing this, if you like these type of videos, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel, as there's plenty of packs that I have to open up, and you can check out all of the variations and variety of cards that have came out over the years. So, Bob Knepper. Interesting pose, no hat, no uniform, no logo. So Bob Knepper. Eric Yelding. Kelly Mann. Bob Rogers, manager card. Pete O'Brien. Rafael Santana. No Frank Thomas yet. Cal Daniels on the Dodgers. Rafael Ramirez. Hal Morris. I believe this is Hal Morris rookie card. Yeah. And then future star Mark Gardner. Dennis Cook. Kevin Wickender. Look at that nice Nolan Ryan 5,000 strikeout card. Is this card number 1? No, card number 5. I believe there were a set of these at the beginning of the set, maybe 1 through 5 or 1 through 8 of Nolan Ryan cards. But anyway, nice Nolan Ryan 5,000. Goose Gazzo. Never saw this card. And the only Goose I know is Goose Gossage, but now we have Goose Gazzo. And then Jeff Innes to close it out. So not bad. 45 cards. And let's go through the highlights. Nolan Ryan, Deion Sanders, Edgar Martinez, Frank Robinson manager card. Let's see what the back looks like. Yeah, just Orioles stuff. Greg Maddux, and the Cal Ripken insert card. So there you go. That's what you can get out of a rack pack of 1990 Topps. So I hope you enjoyed this video.